Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I'm your computer teacher from Muhammadi Girls School. Before starting the lesson, I have some instruction for you. Kindly follow them strictly. Listen the lesson attentively. Follow your teacher instruction. Don't raise hand during teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching in chat box. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Use hands-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of time for attending the class. Home tasks should be done in your fair copy of the subject, means the computer copy. If there is any disconnectivity during teaching, try to rejoin again 3 to 5 minutes. Don't turn on your video during teaching. Take a screenshot of all slides and keep all necessary things with you like stationery box, rough copy and computer book. Okay, this class 1, this is your computer class and this is your second class of computer. So let's start our topic. Chapter number 1, a computer. In previous class, we already learned about something, but the remaining thing we learned in this class. So the objective of today's are yet these are the objective of this chapter. Define machine and describe the type of machine you already learned in the previous class. Okay, what is machine and how many types of machine. And today at the end of the lesson you are able to define computer and or a machine, a smart machine. Okay, what is a smart machine? And explain the computer manner. Okay, what are the manner we follow during using the computer? So these are the objective belong to this chapter, chapter number 1, a computer. So before starting the what is computer, I recall your memory. Okay, what did you learn in the previous class? So do you know what is a machine? Yes, raise your hand and I ask to you. I call the name and you unmute yourself. Okay, first raise your hand. Yes, student. Yes. Hiba, unmute yourself and give the answer. Unmute yourself, Hiba.
Okay.
Yes, Hiba.
Machine is an invention which make our work easier.
Okay, it is a definition. Very nice. Okay, good. Okay, next, Rami, unmute yourself and give the answer. Tell me the name of machine. Ramin. Baria, unmute yourself.
Machine are things made by us.
It's the definition. Just tell me, Aisha, tell me the name of machine. Tell me the Aisha, unmute yourself and tell me the name of machine. Aisha Wasim, yes.
Computer.
Computer, okay.
Toaster.
Very nice. Toaster. And other name? Yes.
Car.
Car, very nice. Okay. Okay.
Scooter.
Now, enough for you. Okay, Kla. Okay. These are the machine. The first one, iron. In the, you learn in previous class and you see at your home. So, and the next one is Caesar. Okay. Yes. Next one, Abira. Abira, unmute yourself and tell me the remaining one. Don't tell the iron and Caesar and computer name. Unmute yourself. Yes. Abira. Next one. Okay. Anavia, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Anavia. Yes. Tell me the name of machine quickly.
Machine.
No, just tell me the names. Yes.
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, most of the student told me the name of machine. iron, scissor, car, grinder, computer, washing machine, telephone, mobile phone, toaster machine, and fridge. These are the some machine that we share here, but we see a lot of machine in our world. Someone is inside the home and some are outside the home. So, and this is a definition of machine. A machine is made a man-made thing which make our work easier to do. Okay, so this is the previous knowledge that I called here. Now move to the today's topic. What is this? What is the name of this picture? Okay. Umeza, unmute yourself and tell the Manal, unmute yourself and give the answer. Which picture you see on your screen? Tell me the name of.
Computer.
Computer. Very nice. The name of this machine is computer. Yes, this is a computer. So, and what is computer? It is also a machine. This is a picture of computer and it is also called a machine. Very nice. Okay, now move to the next one. Yes, again we see here the picture of computer. Okay, so computer made up of the different parts as you see here. Monitor, what is the name of this part? It is called monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These are the four main basic parts that make a computer. Okay, if there is any one part is missing, so computer not working. Okay, so in the other class we discuss all the parts. Just I tell you the name. Okay, computer made up of the different parts, that is monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. Okay, and what we call it? A machine computer. This is a computer machine. What is the name of this machine? This is a computer machine. Okay, what is the definition of computer? A computer is very useful machine. Okay, how? Computer is very useful machine. Computer is very useful machine because it has become a very important part of our life. It become a means a computer have a very vital role in our life because we do a lot of work in a computer, so it is our helper. So in the computer we can perform many tasks, many work. So move to the next. I share what task the computer can perform. Okay, okay. Before sharing these are some tasks that computer can do for in this hand, because computer have many hands. Computer can type. Okay, we can type on a computer the data given into the computer. So in the other, what do you see in this hand? What is the name of this? It is a speaker, and a speaker is also a machine. We use it to listening sound. Okay, we use a speaker for listening sound. Okay, another hand we see the CD. So CD is used to store the data. CD is used to store the, okay, CD is stored. So computer can store the data, listening to the sound. And the other hand, we see the ball. Means why we use the ball? We use ball for playing game. So we can play in computer also. We can also play in computer. Okay. So, and the next one we see the envelope. So this sign is show the sending mail. So we can send the mail through computer. Okay, we can play game on a computer, we can send mail through computer. And the other, what is it? Yeah, it is a brush. So why we use brush? We use brush for painting, for drawing. After drawing, we paint. So computer is used also used for painting or drawing. So these are the some tasks we share here, and the remaining one we share the later on. So What we call it? Because computer do a lot of work. So in that situation, we call it computer is a smart machine. What we call it? A computer is a smart machine. What is computer? A computer is a smart machine because it can do a lot of work, many tasks at a time. Okay. Now move to the next one. Okay, computer help us to do many tasks. How? Yeah, which task the computer can do? Because I say computer help us to do many tasks. So what can? So first we share. Okay, see the picture and see what is she doing? Yes, she using her fingers and copy. It means she is doing calculation. She is doing calculation. So computer help us or it help us to solve sums. So one task is that the computer help us to solve sum. Okay, as you see in your screen, okay, computer is also present and do. So we can do this calculation in your hand also, but it is easy to perform calculation in computer. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, now move to the next task. Which can computer do? Okay, observe see this picture. What do you see here? Yes, we see here the house, star, tree, and paint box. It means we do here the painting or drawing purpose. Okay, so why we use computer? We use computer the drawing picture. Okay, after drawing, we fill the color. So we can do it on a computer also. So drawing picture or we use computer for drawing picture. Now move to the next one. Yes, see the picture. What do you observe here? Hmm? Yes, we're listening music because we see the sound here. This symbol show the music. So in computer we use to listen the music. Okay, the next one. Here we see the two picture. First on a computer we see the teacher or and the other monitor we see the cartoon. So we can see it may be a movie. So we use the computer for watching cartoon movies. Okay, we watch cartoon videos and movies. Okay, next one. Yes, what is he doing? He is thinking or it is completing his assignment. The boy is completing his assignment. So computers also help us to doing assignment. Assignment means the home task which you are doing. So assignment means task, work, and play game. So computer is also used to doing assignment and playing game. Now move to the next one. Yes, those are the tasks which computer can do. Computer do a lot of work, but we share here in a little some tasks to you, which is related to your class level. Okay, in the further class, you learn much more the what are the computer can do more. So in book page number 2, you see the picture of what is the picture of this? This is a picture of computer. So join the dot and complete the picture, then color it. So, okay, it is your home task. You just how to complete it, tell you. I share here, but at home you complete this page. So note down this page number 2, you complete at home. Okay, how to complete this? So first we complete the monitor. So we draw the first line like this and then draw the other lines and then draw the remaining one. Okay, and the next one we draw the other line. After completing joining these dots, we see the monitor. You also draw this line is also, because some lines are left because you have to complete your own side. Okay. Okay, I complete this one. Keyboard. First we draw this line and then draw this dot. After joining this dot, we see the complete picture, that is keyboard. With the help of ruler, yes. With the help of ruler, you draw the lines, and remaining this line is not without using the ruler, you can draw it. Okay. By using ruler and pencil, you draw this. You complete this picture. Okay. Okay. I don't draw complete this picture. You complete your own. Okay. Now move to the next one. This picture is given in your book, page number 3. Okay, it is also present. So Rocky is the rabbit want to play the computer game. Help him reach to his computer. So this is a rabbit, and this is a computer. So rabbit want to move, yeah, reach the room to the computer. How to reach? So rabbit start from here. They move from like this. You draw the line with the pencil and reach the rabbit to his computer, and then he start, yeah, he do playing game on the computer. Okay, after doing this like this, so the rabbit is read the, yes, book page number 2 and page number 3. This is your book work task, so you complete in your book. Okay, page number 2 and 3. Now move to the next one. Computer manner. There are some manner to use the computer, because if we don't follow the manner, so the computer can be damaged, or can be, क्या हो सकता है, it cannot work perform properly. So we must follow some manner. So first, keep the computer room clean and ordinary. Means you must clean computer room regularly, and don't create a mess near the computer, and do not eat and drink near the computer. Okay, when we work on computer, so don't eat and drink near the computer. We don't eat because during eating or during drinking some food or water is spread. So what will happen? The computer is not work. It can hang, okay, or it can damage. So this is you must follow this manner. Keep the computer room clean and don't eat and drink near the computer. Okay, remaining one is sit properly on the chair in front of the computer screen. Okay, when you performing the task of work, so sit properly. Don't move the chair, or don't look over there. So sit properly on the chair in front of the computer screen, and don't disturb the table, or the do not touch the computer wire. Okay, we don't disturb that computer table, means we don't move the table. किस बच्चों की हैबिट होती है ना कि टेबल को हिलाना, मूव करना, तो डोंट मूव द टेबल and don't touch the wire, because the computer is connected to the each other through the wire, and electricity is passing through this wire, so it is dangerous for us, so don't touch the wire during working. Okay, so these are also the manner of computer. Okay, the remaining one are, don't press the key hard. Hard means gently. Okay, sometimes we press the key very hard, and always use both the hands while typing. When you are working on a computer, so use both hands for typing, and don't press the key hard. Okay. Okay, next one. Don't sit close to the computer means don't sit. You see here, the one person, this is a wrong way. The person, a boy is near, close the computer screen. So this is the correct way. This is the proper way. Okay, how to set computer, okay, how much distance we take from the screen, because when we close the computer, so your eyesight will be damaged. Okay, always maintain the distance as like this. Okay, this is the proper way and this is wrong way. And here the student are press the key hardly, so this is a wrong way and this is a right way. Okay, now move to the next one. Yes, page number 4, activity. In this activity, what will we do? Count the number of the animals. We see here a lot of animals and they're using computer. All the animals are using, some are using computer and someone is doing another work. So write the number in the box providing. So first we count and then fill the blanks. First see, yes, it's called this animal. But it is use a computer? Yes, it is use a computer. Lion is use a computer? No, it is listening radio. Okay, yes, it is use a computer. Bear? Yes, bear is use a computer also. So 1, 2, okay. All? No, it is not. It is watching TV. Okay. Crawl is also use a computer. It is a type of computer. What is the name of this machine? Yes, it is laptop. We call it laptop, but it is also the kind of computer. So crawl is also use a computer. Yes, tiger is also use a computer. Okay. Snack is also use a computer. So how many computer we use here? One, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 computer we use here. Okay, first question is, what is the crawl using? Yes, crawl. What is the name of this machine? I just told you. Yes, it's the name of, yes, it is the name of laptop. So what we call it? It is called laptop. So we write here in this space, we write here laptop, and then it is the next blank is it a computer? Yes, it is a computer. What is a crawl using? Crawl using laptop. And is it a computer? Yes, it is a type of computer. So number of animals using computer, as I count here, so there are 5 computer. So you complete in your book page number 4. Okay, now move to the next one. The summary of this chapter is, we learned the computer is not an ordinary machine, but it is a smart machine. Okay, it is not ordinary machine, it is smart because it do many tasks. So it is called a smart machine. Now, home task. This is your previous home task. If you don't take a previous class, so you can note down this home task or take a screenshot of this one. This is home task 1 that is given in your date 27/5/21. Okay, this in this date this home task is given. So take a screenshot of this one and do it in your computer copy. And previous car I share how to work in your copy. Okay, first make a, I repeat again, first make a face sheet with black pointer. In face sheet you write the student name, father name, class with section. Okay, subject, roll number, subject teacher, class teacher, and school name. These are the information you write in first sheet. And the next sheet you write the, make a title page of first term. First you write first term, then a month, write the month May to November, and year 2021 to 2022. In third page you make a title page of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Okay, these all information I share in the previous class. Okay, but I just recall the again. And after that, in the next page, you do this work. Question number 1, question number 2. Okay. After doing this work, move to the next page and do this question in the next page. Complete the table. Okay. So again, you take a screenshot of this slide. So complete this task in the next page. After doing this work, now this is your today's task. That work is belong to the previous class. That is home task 1, but this is home task number 2 and date 1 2016. You must mention the date. So question answer, question number 4, what is computer? Yes, what is computer? What is computer? Okay, what is computer? Tell me the answer in your chat box. What is computer? Yes, what is computer? Yes, computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. Okay, computer is an electronic machine or a smart machine. This is the answer of what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine or a smart machine. Okay, next one, question number 5. Why is computer called a smart machine? Why? Why we call this a smart machine? Yes, because the answer is that because why we call it a smart machine? Because it can perform any task like calculation, watching movies, playing game. So these are tasks performed. That's why we call it a smart machine. Okay. Also, you take a screenshot. Okay. The next question is that question number 6. What are the different tasks that the computer can do or you cannot do? Okay. The computer can do that task, but you cannot do. Okay. Solving sum. You can also do this task, but the computer can do it very quickly. Solving sum, draw picture, listening to music, playing game, and watching movies. These are the tasks that we perform in your computer. Okay, take a screenshot of this slide because you do in your copy. And this is your today's home task. Okay, have you taken the screenshot? Okay, have you taken the screenshot? Now, I hope you all have understood all the topic very well. Now, inshallah, we will meet again in next class. So stay home and stay home. Allah Hafiz.